I'm Michael Paluska. A lot of people have a deep connection to what was a church that's now been converted into a mansion, now listed for sale for millions of dollars. We talked to some folks who actually attended services here and launched a brand new congregation in the 80s. On the outside, the years between past and present are blurred. The former Baptist church looks the same. But step inside.
It is luxury from head to toe, yet extremely comfortable. I mean, it feels homey. I am the listing agent for 160 Reed Street, Tarpon Springs, Florida. $5.995 million is what it's listed at.
Do you think it'll go for that?
I think it'll go close to it. You are the first one to be in here, right?
And the only one that can't afford it. Kelly Ackley gave us a tour.
This is the office. Under cabinet lighting, anytime you walk into the bathroom, it comes on. And then this really cool staircase. I mean, the sunsets from up here are unbelievable. Let's go down. We can do attic or garage. And these are local artists, which is so cool. And he reinforced the entire home with steel beams. And then there's storage back here that you can do additional. This, amazing. So it is a lap pool. It's heated.
It's a miracle. Yeah. I had my Zoom up waiting for you. Tracking down former parishioners was not easy.
We started a church in Tarpon Springs called the Harbor Baptist Temple.
Paul Tipton, now a missionary in Nicaragua with very sketchy Wi-Fi, was the pastor here 40 plus years ago.
It was a bad location for a church only because of the lack of parking and things that we had. As far as the building itself goes, it was a blessing.
Do you have any concerns about it being sold for $6 million potentially?
I mean, it served its purpose for us. And if it can continue to serve some sort of purpose, that's fine with me. That excites me.
Paul Tipton, who is my best friend.
Tipton led us to Jerry Cook, a longtime Tarpon Springs resident who helped him start the new church. Property holds over 7,000 square feet of air-conditioned, modernized living areas.
I can stop you right there. We didn't have air conditioning.
Walk me through, when I'm going up those stairs and I go through the front door, what is there?
When we got inside, we'd run across a rat or two here and there. I mean, it was vacant for a long time. The only problem with the stairs is older people were scared going up and down them. We said, okay, we're going to put you in a chair and we're going to carry you up. And it scared the life out of some of the older people. But they wanted to be in that church.
Never dropped anyone?
No, never dropped anyone.
What does the building still mean to you?
Well, you know, it's, I'll tell you what it's like. It means that it's a shame it's become a house and not a church.
Did you see the pictures on the inside?
I've only seen it through newspaper. Boy, does that bring back memories.
We showed him the real estate video of the inside. He was shocked.
Can you believe that? My wife's got to see this. She would never believe that.
There's their pool.
Oh, my. Wow.
So I probably shouldn't have that soundbite where you say it's a shame in there now after seeing this.
No.
Changed your mind?
No, change that. I'll be honest with you. It was could have been condemned. It really could have. It was bad.
Yeah, right.
What they did there is it'll stand for a long time, and people will remember that it was the First Baptist Church.
At the old church in Tarpon Springs with photojournalist Reed Moeller, Michael Paluska, ABC Action News.